Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to concatenate text or joining the text. Assume that you have a certain text, it needs to be joined. How do you do that? Okay. If you would like to learn more skill like this, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills, and let's play with the data across rows and columns. Okay. So I would like to, so this is already concatenated. Let's try to check how to concatenate this text actually. So, so Hare Krishna. These two words I would like to combine. Okay, you can see this concatenate. So you can able to take multiple texts. The first one is this one, second one is this one. So this is combined, right, in this cell. So let's try to concatenate as an example. Okay. So go for this batting. Batting is one word, right? So let's go for this, close this. So let's try to left arm bowling. I would like to concatenate this one. Okay. So as a single word, I would like to do that. How do I do that? So concatenate. It is very useful function. Okay. So let's come here. Why not that? This we can take this. But 10 times, see why I'm doing all these things. My punches. So let's go for this is first, and let's go for this. This is second, left arm, this, this. Okay, left arm bowling. So this is how you can able to concatenate the text. Okay, that's all for today. Let's catch up in next session with one more formula. Formulas are very, very important. Better learn, it will be useful somewhere. Your skills will be utilized. Thank you so much. Have a great day.